बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे अप्रैल 21 2024 के अखबार में। तो जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी पहली जॉब है HR बिजनेस सॉल्यूशन PVT लिमिटेड इज़ हायरिंग फॉर द रोल ऑफ चीफ एंटरप्राइज डेटा ऑफिसर CETO फॉर वन ऑफ देयर क्लाइंट्स। द आइडियल इंकमेंट शेल provide strategic leadership through data management office focusing primarily on analytics and architecture, data governance and management, and data security and protection. Position requirements are briefed below. Position Chief Enterprise Data Officer, location Islamabad/Karachi, maximum age 50 years, minimum qualification education master's degree in computer science, information systems, information security, project management, data management or a related field. Experience at least 15 years, relevant experience of working in large size enterprises or a multinational corporation with 10 years of working on a senior executive slash decision making position. Candidates with CDPP, CDMP, CDME, CIPM or PSE certification shall be preferred. This is a permanent position with attractive remuneration package. The company is an equal opportunity employer. Female candidates are encouraged to apply. Only shortlisted candidates meeting the defined criteria shall be called for interview. The company has the right to reject any or all applicants without assigning any reason. Please note that no TA/TA would be given to the shortlisted candidates called for interviews. All interested applicants meeting the above criteria may send their CV at jobs@hrbs.com.pk along with attached copies of all educational documents, experience certificates, CNIC, recent passport size photograph. Deadline to submit application is 3rd May 2024. www.hrbs.com.pk. Career opportunities are reputable engineering companies looking for qualified and highly motivated sales representatives. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है कराची only. Education MBA/BE. Mechanical engineer preferred with an MBA degree from HEC recognized university. Experience 5 years experience in similar position with computer skill, proficiency in excellence and excellent communication skills. Individual must have the ability to handle/manage mid-range and large customer accounts effectively and building relationships with key customers. Proficiency in providing generator solutions, coordinating with parts, service and warehouse, local and regional teams to meet customer needs efficiently. Capability to inspect equipment, analyze leads generated by the system and respond promptly. Company offers permanent job, attractive salary with company operated car plus other benefits like provident fund, gratuity, annual bonus, medical allowance and group insurance. You are required to send your updated CV latest by 28th April 2024. Email hiring4khi@gmail.com. hiring4khi@gmail.com. एक और जॉब है ट्रोजन शिपिंग PVT लिमिटेड. वी आर हायरिंग सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव. रिक्वायरमेंट्स पोजीशन इन import/export. Freight forwarding must have 3 years of relevant experience. Direct clients ownership will be an advantage. Send your resume to best.candidates@outlook.com. We are hiring. Usman Public School System is hiring male and female teachers who are dynamic, passionate, professionally competent and subject specialist in the first science serial number 1 section of appointment. O levels bracket में लिखा हुआ है male. Subject computer/Urdu/Islamia/English. Qualification and experience minimum graduate and 2 years of experience of O levels. Number 2 secondary plus primary. Male and female. Science, Urdu, computer, English, social studies. Minimum graduate and 2 years of experience. Number 3 pre-primary female. Subject all. Minimum bachelor's diploma of Montessori directress will be preferred. Bracket close. How to apply? Interested candidates can apply by filling online application form at usman.edu.pk/career latest by 12th May 2024. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for written test, demonstration and interview. Human Resource Department, Usman Public School System, B for Box B232, Block N, North Nazimabad. Usman Public School System. यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कराची की भी जॉब है। टेलीफोन नंबर 021992613000207, 9926130007, एक्सटेंशन 2247, फैक्स 99261344, फैक्स 99261344, ईमेल registrar@uok.edu.pk, Career Opportunity Assistant Director Legal Affairs, extension in deadline for submitting applications. With reference to and in continuation of our HR advertisement for the above position which appeared in this newspaper of 7th April 2024, all the interested candidates are informed that the competent authority has extended the deadline for the receipt of applications, and now the applications must reach the HRM section of University of Karachi on or before 3rd May 2024. प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर अब्दुल वहीद, रजिस्ट्रार। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।